Yeah, so I decided I'm gonna rip these studs out and hope this exterior wall stays by itself so I can reframe this wall properly. I need to get a plate down there. I'm probably gonna reframe this wall, and I'm definitely reframing this wall. Get rid of all this broken, crooked, bowed, twisted, non-plumb nonsense. Alright, so this wall is free floating right now. This is the exterior wall. As you can see it wiggle. I'm wiggling with it. So all that's here now is this exterior drywall. Then there's like a 1/2-inch foam board, and then the siding. So I need to put these studs back in because you can literally push your way in here right now. But unfortunately I had to do it this way. We're not letting the mosquitoes in. So I'm going to leave this one in because of all the wiring. I'd like to frame the whole wall in one shot, but I can't. I'm also holding up that beam up there, so I need to leave a couple in. I'll probably leave this one in and leave these two in. I'm going to take this one out. The kid cut the nails at the top. And he cut the bottom with the Sawzall. See if I can get this out holding the camera, holding the phone. Probably not. We'll try. Luckily it was only roofing nails holding it and no screws. Ah, careful. It's only drywall. You go right through it. Got it. Oh, it just fell out. So it's double drywall. Okay. I'll get that out of there. Somebody did a patch here. They have a little trap door here or something. That's weird to have that.
There's a doggy door.
Is that what it was? A doggy door?
Possible.
Yeah, it happens. Yeah, it's unfortunate I can't rip all the framing out and do it in one shot, but we're holding up the house too, so I gotta be careful what I do. I need to get a plate on the floor so I can fasten that plate to the concrete. Then I'll feel better. Like I said before, you come into a bathroom that was remodeled, this is what's behind it. Horrifying stuff, especially an older house. But look at this, you had this light above the mirror, above the sink, and that's the box. A couple loose screws. Look at this. That's what was behind the wall. Mounted to this piece of crap. Check this out. Wow, you barely got one screw in it. And it's a junk piece of wood. Let me turn the light out so you can see it better. This is it. This is what he had. The box is loose to a piece of wood that's loose. This is what you get. I just got this temporary light on here. I gotta change all this wiring. And look at this. This is the toilet. And there's a GFI outlet right next to the toilet. Why? So it gets peed on forever? It literally smells like pee because I just disconnected it. It was actually connected to this GFI in the laundry room. So I just replaced that one because apparently that one stopped working and the one in the bathroom. And I found out why. He must have wired this himself, and he had like 4 neutrals twisted inside of that box, and 2 of the neutrals fell off. This is the stuff that's behind your walls. So now I can cut that outlet out of there. So I'm going to do that and start preparing this to put it back together. I gotta self-level this floor. I'll probably do a separate video just on the floor because this is pretty bad. Sneak a shot of Fred and George the cat. There's George. There's Fred way back there with the white nose. For some reason, Fred's scared of me. Not George. Fred said, you know what? I'm hungry. Forget you. I'm not scared of you. Hey, Fred. Fred. Where you go, Fred? I guess Fred figures that's the idiot that comes here every day and makes all that noise. He's scared of the noise and the smells, the dust. What are you gonna do? Yeah, I just temporarily moved the light up here. I'm gonna rewire everything. Get rid of all the old wire. Got some framing in this side. This is all temporary. I'm probably gonna put it in a different box. I had to leave that stub there because there's an outlet attached to it that goes outside. I gotta replace all that. But tomorrow, I gotta figure out what I'm doing with this mess. The pipes. You can barely get drywall across there. Gonna have to figure something out. It's all rotten anyway. It's gotta go. And it looks like there's a leak down there or something. All the pipes go into the concrete. These are the nightmares I get involved in.